Dublin, NYTIMES, an Irish parliamentary committee recommended on Wednesday, December 13, that a constitutional ban on abortion be repealed, paving the way for the liberalisation of one of the world's strictest abortion laws. The committee recommended removing the provision in the Irish constitution that gives a fetus and the mother an equal legal right to life, which has been the law since 1983. That provision has been used to ban abortion in all circumstances, including rape, incest, fatal fetal abnormality and any risk to the life of the mother. The committee also said women should have unrestricted access to abortion up to the 12th week of pregnancy. The committee's recommendations will now go to the full parliament, which can decide whether to accept them and whether to call a referendum for a vote on changing the constitution. Prime Minister Leo Varadkar has already said he was committed to holding a referendum on the issue by next May. Simon Harris, the Minister for Health, said this week that he supported repealing the constitutional ban and allowing free access to abortion up to 12 weeks into pregnancy. Ailbe Smith, a spokeswoman for the Coalition to Repeal the Eighth Amendment, a group pressing to repeal the constitutional provision that bans abortion, praised the committee's decision, calling it a very major step forward. Ronan Mullen, an independent member of the committee, opposed the repeal of the constitutional ban and any measures to decriminalize abortion, and he had earlier accused other members of the committee of having a pro-choice bias. But Catherine Murphy, a leader of the Social Democrats and another member of committee, said that with such a wide range of opinion among members of the committee, it was very encouraging that it was possible for most of us to come to a common agreement on some principles. For decades Irish women and girls seeking to terminate their pregnancies have gone abroad, mainly to Britain. In 2015, according to the United Kingdom's figures, at least 3,400 Irish women travelled to England and Wales for procedures that would have violated the law in their own country, an experience many described as traumatic and humiliating. The 1983 constitutional ban was passed with the active support of the Roman Catholic Church, then a dominant force in Irish religious, social and political life. Initially, the prohibition was zealously enforced, although it was widely believed that some doctors would quietly perform emergency terminations in cases of dire medical need. In recent years, growing opposition to the ban was fueled by a number of legal and medical controversies. Among those was the X case of 1993, in which the Attorney General at the time obtained a court order preventing a 13-year-old rape victim from traveling to England to seek an abortion. This ruling was later reversed on the grounds that the girl might have committed suicide if she had been forced to carry the fetus against her will. In a sign that attitudes were already changing, the Irish electorate subsequently voted against a new referendum, supported by the Catholic Church and anti-abortion organizations, that would have specifically banned suicidal symptoms or expressions as grounds for allowing an abortion. In October 2012, Savita Halapanavar, a 31-year-old dentist, died after miscarrying in a Galway hospital.